In this video, we will learn how to enhance our conversation by reading book. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Nancy Convo. So today's topic is living in a house / conversation. Conversation A. Here S1 denotes for first person and S2 denotes for second person. So let us begin conversation A. First person. How much did you pay for your house? Second person. It cost $18,000 and we have spent another $2 on repairs. First person. Did you have trouble getting a mortgage? Second person. No, we paid $4,000 and the bank lent us the rent. Conversation B. First person. Do you prefer a one-store or two-store house? Second person. One store, I think. First person. I do too, because there are no stairs to climb. But second person. But one-store houses take more land. Conversation C. First person. Your house is very large. Second person. Yes, we have enough room for guests now. First person. Our house is too small. Second person. You don't have enough room, do you? Conversation D. First person. Where's the bathroom? Second person. The bathroom is opposite that big bedroom. First person. Is this the kitchen? Second person. Yes, it's a big kitchen, isn't it? Conversation E. First person. I enjoy having a house in the suburbs. Second person. It's wonderful to have trees and a big yard. First person. The children can play outside most of the time. Second person. And it's so much cleaner here than in the city. If you want to learn basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana. And also you can follow me on Instagram. In description, the link is given below. Go and check it. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that we come up with more boosting information. Till then, take care and bye-bye.